How to redeem your Google Play gift card. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can redeem Google Play gift cards, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you would like to redeem your Google Play gift card, it is actually very simple to do so, because all you have to do is, of course, just go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Google Play Store application. Once you launch the Google Play Store app, just tap the profile icon located at the top right hand side of the screen, and then I want you to simply go to this option known as payment and subscriptions. When you go to payment and subscriptions, you're going to see this type of interface where what you need to do is right at the top you'll find this option called redeem code. So just tap the redeem code option, and all you have to do is simply make sure to enter the gift card code that you have. Once you enter them, if they're correct, you'll be able to tap the redeem option, and then your gift card code will get successfully redeemed. That's all it takes to go ahead and then redeem your Google Play gift card. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.